Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this look right here using the Huda Beauty Nude Obsessions palette in Nude Rich. So if you guys want to know how to create this look right here using this palette, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notifications so you can be notified each time that I upload. Now let's get started with the tutorial. Part of her Nude Obsessions collection. This is what it looks like. I did go to the store and I swatched all of them, and this one was my favorite, the Nude Rich. The rest I didn't really like. I liked Nude Medium, but it was a little bit too light for me, so we're gonna do Nude Rich. I did do my face already and I already primed my eyelids with concealer. I used the Shape Tape. Now I'm just gonna go in with the first shade. I'm using this one right here, the first one. And I'm just using this Makeup Shack fluffy brush to apply it. And I'm just going to do this side on camera like always. Wow, right off the bat it's a really nice shade. It's a nice rosy tone shade. It's pretty nice. So I'm just going to build that up little by little. It's going to be the first shade that's gonna show at the top. So I'm doing that from inner to outer corner and blending it outwards. I am obsessed with that shade. So you can just go on with your day, throw on that shade, and you'll be out the door. If you want to do something natural, this is what I like to do on my days that I go to work. So this is really nice shade, and I'm going to probably keep using it. Next, I'm going in with the Sigma Tapered Blending Brush E35. This is what it looks like. It's a little bit smaller, a little bit more tapered. And with that brush, I'm going to go in with this shade here in the middle. This one's just a little bit darker than the last shade. Wow. These shades are so nice. Look at that. So this one I'm kind of packing it on. And I'm still going all the way to the inner corner. I like to pack on the next shade and then blend. Just a little bit of fallout, not that much, but you can just go in with your powder brush and sweep it away. Now I'm going to go in with the Sigma Blending E25, which is a little bit flatter. And with this brush, I'm going to go in with this shade here. And look at that. This one's just a little bit more red. I think this is the most gorgeous palette out of the three. It was so stunning when I saw it. I know this one is intended for deeper skin tones, but I don't think it really matters. It's just your preference and whatever you like. And you guys know I like dramatic, so I went with the most dramatic palette. So I'm keeping that at the bottom a little bit, and now I'm gonna go in with the brush that I used before, which is the E35, and just blending that out. You can take a clean brush, which I'm just gonna take this Alamar Cosmetics brush, and it's clean, it doesn't have any color, and just blend that out. Okay. And then as I go, I keep sweeping any fallout, which is not a lot, just slightly. And then I'm gonna go in with this shade here. I'm just using this Morphe M507 brush, and now I'm just going to go into the side here. So the shade is just a little bit more orange, like it has a little bit of more warm tones in there. And I'm just blending that out with the Alamar Cosmetics brush. And then last but not least, I'm taking this dark shade right here with the same M507 brush. I'm gonna put that towards the lash line. The last shade I didn't really like. It's the least pigmented, I would say. And it's the most patchy shade. Now I'm just taking this flat brush to cut the crease. I'm using the P. Louise base and the shade 02. Start at the bottom here. All the way to the middle. And then I'm gonna go a little higher here. And then blend out the outer edges. So this is the little cut crease. It's nice and rounded. And now I'm just going to set it with this shade right here, the one in the middle at the top, with my finger at the bottom part right here. Like that. The shade is really, really nice. And I'm just going in with another flat brush, picking up the shade first. And then I'm gonna wet it. I'm using the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist from Colourpop. Just gonna add a little bit. Again on top and more towards the edges here. Just so it can be nice and straight towards the edge. And so the glitter doesn't go all over the place. I'm gonna kind of smooth out the lid. And now I'm gonna go in with the small brush again and taking the deepest shade and kind of blending that in together. Meshing it in, kind of sweeping it outwards. And then I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of powder and kind of cleaning that up. It's a little bit of a hack here. I'm really digging it. And I like how the dark color built up. It didn't look patchy that much at the end. And now I'm just gonna go in with my mascara. I'm using the Tarte Gifted Mascara. I don't curl my lashes because I'm gonna go in with falsies. And if I curl my lashes, it's just harder to like apply the lashes. I'm gonna do the other side off camera and then I'll be right back to apply the lashes, and then we can go in with the lower lash line. So I'll be right back. Now I'm just going to take these lashes from Oh Honey Lashes in the style OG Honey. It's really wispy. I love this style here. So I'm just going to apply the glue. I'm using the Kiss lash glue. I'm just gonna set that down. And then I'm just going to start on my lower lash line. I'm just going to use this shade down here with the skinny brush, the flat one. Kind of connecting it to the outer edge. And I'm taking the darkest shade. And I'm just going to do the edge by the lashes. To define it a little bit. Now I can apply the lashes. My favorite part. Just kidding, I'm being sarcastic. This is my least favorite part. See? This is why I don't like applying lashes. They get caught with my nail, they do all these things. Let's try this side now. I'm gonna take my lash applicator. Hope you guys can see. I think with the lash applicator it really helps to apply them so they don't get stuck to your fingers. Look at these lashes, aren't they so beautiful? This lash company is from San Diego, so they're really close to me here. I'm just going to add a little bit of highlight in the inner corner just to make it pop. I'm using this Ofra highlighter in all of the lights, which is what I used on my face as well. And I'm just gonna take the pink side here. This is for the inner corner. Ooh. And then for the waterline, I'm gonna use this Colourpop gel eyeliner, and this is in the shade Joyride. I think this was from their like fall collection, the whatever palette. That's the shade, and it's just gonna make the eyeshadow pop a little bit more. For the lips, I'm gonna use this lip liner by NYX. This is in the shade Sand Beige, and it's the retractable lip liner. For lipstick, I'm just gonna use this Patrick Starrr x MAC lipstick in the shade Peachy Peter. I don't think it's available anywhere, but I need new lipsticks. Just so beautiful. I love this look. It is very, very sultry. And I'm gonna talk a little bit about the eyeshadow palette. I really enjoyed it. Just the darker shade was a little bit harder to work with. All the shimmer shades swatched nicely, and this shimmer shade that I used today, I love it. It's so nice. It's just amazing, and it pairs well with the darker shades. I think this is the best palette from all the nude collection that she has. This is the Nude Rich. If I would suggest picking one up, I would just suggest this one here. It's just the best one, the most pigmented. I love the pink shades in there. Girl, you need those shades in your life. If you create a look that looks sort of like this, let me know. Make sure you tag me on Instagram, and I will definitely post you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial right here. If you did and you loved it, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.